In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload files in Zoho Workdrive from computer. To begin, make sure you are logged in to Zoho Workdrive on your computer and that you are in the correct team or My Folders area where you store your files. The first thing you will do is open the specific folder where you want your upload to go. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the right place, because the file will be added to the folder you are currently viewing. If you have several folders with similar names, look at the folder path or the folder title near the top, so you know you are uploading to the correct location. Once you are inside the right folder, find the Upload option. Click the Upload drop-down menu, and then select Upload Files. Choosing Upload Files is important because it lets you pick one or more files directly from your computer. If you do not see the Upload option right away, look near the top area of the folder view where the main actions usually appear. After you select Upload Files, a file selection window will open on your computer. Browse to the location where your file is saved. Click once on the file you want to upload so it is highlighted, and then click Open. If you are uploading the wrong file by accident, use this moment to double-check the file name and, if helpful, the file type before you click Open. As soon as you click Open, the upload will begin. You will see an upload progress bar at the bottom of the Zoho Workdrive window. Let the upload finish completely before you navigate away, close the tab, or refresh the page. If the file is large or your internet connection is slower, this may take a little longer, so be patient and keep the browser window open. When the progress bar reaches the end and disappears, your upload is complete, and the file should now appear in the folder. You can quickly confirm by looking for the file in the list. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.